Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest crochet I had from this yarn. It's called Vega from Nako. They recommend 2 or 3 millimeters crochet hook. It's 100 grams and it's 100% premium acrylic. I will use a blue color for today, and you will need also 6 millimeters crochet hook, pair of scissors, yarn needle, and who wants stitch marker. Start with slip knot, and for adult size make 41 chain. So chain 41, and then I will show you what next. So you can pause the video and meet me back again. So I have done 41 chains, and now start in the second chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet. You will make 1 single crochet in each chain across. The length of hat is 28 centimeters, and after folding the edge up it's 20 centimeters. So if you need smaller size, just make less chains and less rows. Now chain 1, turn your work and start the second row in the very first back loop. So I'm going to show you where is the back loop. When you turn it like this, you can see chain, you can see stitches, and we will use just this back loop. So make 1 single crochet in each this back loop across, and start always in very first back loop. This is very first back loop where you have to make 1 single crochet. So 1 single crochet in the very first back loop, and to make in the next back loop 1 single crochet, in the next back loop 1 single crochet, and make 1 single crochet in each back loop across. I am at the end of the second row, and I'm going to show you where is the very last stitch where you have to make single crochet, very last single crochet, and we will not use the back loop like all the time. Just in the very last stitch we will use stitch and make last single crochet. So always make the last single crochet into the stitch. So use both loops. This is very last single crochet, chain 1, turn your work, and continue working like before. So start with very first back loop and make single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each back loop across. And you can meet me back at the end of this row, so you can pause the video, and then I will show you again where is the very last stitch. Okay, and now when you turn it like this, you can see the very last stitch. So make 1 single crochet in the stitch, chain 1, turn your work, and repeat it again in every row. So start in very first back loop and make 1 single crochet, then make 1 single crochet in each back loop across. And for adult size, make 62 to 64 rows, and I'll get circumference of hat 54 centimeters. It's very stretchy pattern and it's not natural material, so don't make it too much bigger, so think of that. Okay, I have done 63 rows, and now we need to join both sides together. So put it together like this, and we are going to join it by crochet hook and by slip stitches. So insert your hook into the very first stitch or into this space and make a slip stitch. And now I'm going to show you where you have to insert your hook. We will use again just the back loop over here and just one loop on the other side, and to make 1 slip stitch in each back loop and the loop on the other side. Okay, now just keep the tail longer, and you can cut the yarn, and we will work with this tail because we need to close the hole in the upper part of hat. So use yarn needle and let's make a few stitches around the upper part of hat. So just follow me, use just one loop like this and make 1 stitch in each row. And continue working like this to the end. Okay, now just pull it and tighten it. And you can see the hole is not closed enough, so just insert your hook somewhere here and go down. We need to get to the wrong side of hat. And here in the wrong side of hat, we need to make a few stitches in the same way. So make a few stitches in a round and close the hole. Close the hole like this, and maybe you will need to make a few stitches not in one round, but you have to make 2 rounds. So just follow me and close the hole. And at the end, make just a slip knot. Okay, and that's all. You need to just hide this tail inside the hat, and that's really all. I made already 2 similar video patterns, but I decreased the upper part of hat in one of them, and the second similar pattern what I made was with half double crochets. So you can watch it if you want. You can find the link for both in description of this video or above the right corner when you click on the letter I. I think these 3 tutorials are amazing for absolutely beginners. I will be very glad when you leave the comment below the video if you like it, if it's helpful for you, and if you will have any questions. Now just cut the yarn and you have done your easy hat. You can make them or make it for someone special, like a Christmas present, or just for you if you don't have a hat for winter. And that's all from me. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.